Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about our healing brush in this tutorial. So after I go through the images, do a little color correction, do just a little bit of pre-cropping to straighten them up, make them presentable for the customer. Next thing I want to go through and fix is if there's any apparent red marks, any apparent blemishes, things like that that you can just go through pretty quick and hit with the heal brush. It doesn't take a lot of time. You want to make sure to do that though, because you don't want to put a picture in front of your customer if they have a huge red spot on their face or a huge blemish on their face. They're not going to want to see that, and it's not going to be a way to get your print sales. So see this little baby here, skin's very good. However, I do see just a little bit of redness on the one cheek here. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to use my healing brush just to kind of fix that redness up. So I'm going to bring it in a little closer just so I can see exactly what I want to do. You can just see it right there a little bit. So there's clone and heal. On this one, you're going to want to be sure to click heal. And you're going to come to the size that you want to make it. On my feather, I usually like to have my feather up a little bit because it blends a little bit better. You don't want to have hard edges on there. And if you turn your feather up, that's going to help the blending. See this little red spot right here? I'm just going to put a little healing tool over that and see how that just makes it look like it blends in. See just a couple other little red spots I might get while I'm here. There we go. And you see how quickly we fixed up just a little bit of redness. Just made it a little bit more presentable. Mom's definitely going to like to see that instead of some of those red blotches that all of us get. And that's going to be one way you can use your healing tool.